You made a few documents in Affinity Layout, and now you're thinking, what if I glue them all together into one mega project? Stop right there. Don't glue anything. Layout has a feature for that, and it's called a book. Today we'll use it to turn chaos into system, because nothing says professional like not losing track of your page numbers. In this video, you'll learn how to create a book file, add and organize chapters, sync styles and master pages, generate a unified table of contents, and export everything as one clean file. Basically, it's project management, but for designers who hate spreadsheets. The book in Affinity Layout isn't a new document. It's a container, a master file that links to other layout documents called chapters. Each chapter stays separate, but the book keeps them in order, syncs their styles and merges them when you export. It's perfect for a long project like magazines, catalogs, manuals, novels, or your 200-page rant about bad kerning. So let's make one. All you have to do is go to Window, Layout, Books. Click on it, and this window pops open that says you do not currently have any books open, and you can create a new book or open book that you already created. We don't have book right now, so let's click on the create new book. Now let's add our files into the book. So right here is a little plus button. Click on it and you can choose which files you want to add to your book. I will add link for those files to description, so you can use them if you want, or you can create files for yourself. So let's select all three, open, and now you see those files here. Double click on them to open them all. First it goes to master page, so let's go into pages so we can see what's there. And don't worry about this yellow triangle here. It's a preflight. It warns me about this text here because it doesn't like the lorem ipsum text. So just in case now, let's save our book. Here is a little arrow you can see. Click on it and click save book and give it a name. Let's and save. Now your book is saved. My files are all numbered. You can see 1 to 3, 4 to 6, and 7 to 9. But if now you think that file number 3 should be second, actually, just drag it to second place. And like you can see, it changed the page numbering for other files too. So, but let's keep it in the right order for now. Like you saw, the page number changed automatically right away. Now, let's talk about synchronization. The circuit to not having every chapter look slightly wrong. I did it for on purpose. Like you can see, this headline is 64. This one is 48, and this one is 36. Now, let's say that the right style of this headline is 48. You don't have to manually change the other headlines. All you have to do is here you see this key icon. Click in front of the file name. Now the key is here. This means it's a style source chapter that other files will inherit this file styles. And now let's open this menu under this arrow. Oh, sorry. First select all files, click on the arrow and click synchronize. And now if you go to the other files, you can see it's 48 and that one is 48 too. And you can choose which styles you want to synchronize. Under the synchronize settings, you can see you can synchronize swatches, text styles, table formats, and master pages. Now, books get really fun when you use table of content. Normally, you create one per file, but with books, you can generate a single table of content that covers every chapter. So before we continue, let's be sure we are on the first file. Double click it. Yes, we are on the first file. Let's add 2 more pages here. 2 more pages before page 1 and OK. Now take the text tool here, frame text tool, drag the text frame, and all you have to do is go to text, table of contents, insert, and this table of content window pops open. But we have a problem. There's only 2 entries here, page 3 and 5, but we have now 11 pages. What went wrong? Actually, nothing. In default, the table of content scope is document. This means it only looks material in the document it is right now. But we are smart and we are using book. So all you have to do is here where is scope, go to click on books, or sorry, book. And now all you have to do is click on this on those 2 arrows, click on it, and it takes in other headlines inside the book too. And now if we want to double check it, tutorial 5 is on page 9, and if we go to page 9, there is tutorial 5. Basically, Affinity Layout pulls headings from every chapter into one master list, complete with page numbers. If you add or rearrange chapters later, just click Update Tables of Content and it refreshes automatically. No more manual page number math, you are free. So what I mean is, if you are doing some changes here, let's drag file number 3 to second place. You see page numbers here changed. They didn't change here. And if the page numbers haven't changed, click Update Numbers and they will change to correct page numbers. But right now, let's keep this in order. Let's see, it's 6, it's wrong. Again, Update Numbers, and it changed. Books themselves are saved as .af book files. They are tiny because they only store links, not content. That means you need to keep the chapter files in the same folder or relative path. Move them randomly around your drive and Layout will start a missing file scavenger hunt. Now that your masterpiece is ready, here's a little trick. When you want to export it, if you go to File, Export, Export, let's choose our preset for print. Under Area, you see only spreads, pages, selection. And the problem is, when you export it, it only exports that file that you are on. So right now, it will export only file 3. Let me show you. Export, let's give it the name export 1, save. And now, like you can see, there's only file number 3, but we want all 3 files. Here's an easy fix. Under the books arrow menu, here's a separate export. If you click on that, now let's choose our print preset, and here in the area section, you see chapters. All chapters or chapters as pages, selected chapters as pages. Now, if you choose this export and export it out, let's name it export 2, save. And now if you open it, you have your whole file or your whole book with all the pages that you made with table of content here. So in next video, we'll keep using the same file, so don't delete it, and I hope you liked the video. Let's recap before your chapter starts rebelling. Books link multiple AFPub files. Add, reorder and manage chapters easily. Sync styles and master pages for consistency. Generate a single TOC that updates automatically. Export the entire thing in one go. You officially unlocked Publisher's big project superpower. Next up, we'll cover references and crosslinks, the nerdy side of layout that makes you look like a wizard. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and go celebrate. You just tamed an entire book.